Namaste Do. Today I want to talk about Magh Amavasya, which is also known as Mauni Amavasya. This is coming on 18th of January. दिन बहुत special है. It's known as Magh Amavasya because this is the first new moon of the year as well as it is coming in the month of Magh as per Hindu calendar. Also it is known as Mauni Amavasya because this is a day in which if you keep silent, it is supposed to give us great benefits. Now first let me explain. This Amavasya is good for rituals done for ancestors, for your parents, for spiritual cleansing as well as for inner peace. And this is a day where it is considered to be very beneficial if we can keep silent. Scriptures में कहा है कि पितृलोक और the world of the ancestors और हमारा लोक इसके बीच में जो वेल है ना, ये वेल जो है थिन हो जाता है around this time. So whatever we give to our ancestors, it is accepted in full and we receive blessings for it. For more, continue listening. So let's talk about the significance of Mauni Amavasya. श्राद्ध और पिंडदान का है. Anyone who is doing ancestor worship on this day gets powerful benefits. The day begins with a holy bath, especially गंगा में. पाप धुलते हैं. मोक्ष के लिए ये एक पहला कदम माना जाता है. अगर गंगा नहीं जा सकते तो घर पे गंगा जल डाल के नहाएं. मौन व्रत करें. चुप रहकर मेडिटेशन करने से इट्स वेरी बेनिफिशियल. अंदर तक सुकून मिलता है. यू फील काम. नेगेटिव एनर्जीज दूर होती है. और दान पुण्य, तिल, कपड़े, ब्लैंकेट, घी, अन्नदान, all these give a lot of benefits. You don't have to go to a temple to do puja. There are certain rituals that one can do at home. जैसे सुबह उठ के नहाए, add a few drops of गंगा जल into your bath water. मौन रहने की कोशिश करें. At least until the puja time, try to keep quiet. Try to be in that meditative frame of mind. And पितरों के लिए तर्पण करें. तिल मिला के जल में अर्पण करें. मंत्र बोले, ओम पितृभ्याय नमः, या गायत्री मंत्र का भी जाप कर सकते हैं. विष्णु जी की पूजा करें. And there is this belief in our culture that crows that come to you are actually a form of your ancestors. तो उनको खाना जरूर खिलाया जाए. And there are certain dans that can be done, certain offerings that can be made, til, black clothes, blankets, and helping the needy. This is for family blessings. So friends, try some of my tips for Mauni Amavasya. Silence is very powerful. So Mauni Amavasya pe try to be in the meditative state, in the flow state by keeping quiet. Of course, giving offerings to ancestors, seeking their blessings is always a good idea. Tell me which tip did you like the most? And if you like my content, please like and subscribe. Press the bell icon. Until we meet again, namaste.